time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL, 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 resell, it's time to resell in the ATL, ATL flipper.
Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Derek, also known as the ATL Flipper, and welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know, I'm a full-time reseller on eBay. Basically what I do is I go to thrift stores, yard sales, basically wherever I can go to find inventory to flip on eBay. Alright, I go to those places and I basically get the items and I list them on eBay for profit. Alright, today I'm gonna go ahead and go to some thrift stores and see what I can find today. Alright, so if you like that type of content, if you want to learn what brands sell, if you want to see what I pick up, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Alright, let's go ahead and head out and hit some thrift stores. Alright y'all, the first item I picked up was this vintage Clemson ACC tournament by Legends athletic sweater. They're asking $4 for it, and I've seen comps as high as $45 to $50 on eBay. So I'm definitely going to pick this one up. And then y'all, I saw this vintage Nike sweater. See the tag? Size extra large. They're asking $4 for it. And the letters is, the painters came off a little bit, but it ain't that bad. But I can get around 40 for this too on eBay. Alright, now I see these VTech V-readers. This one is a Hello Kitty 99¢. All of these going for around like $10. $10 to $15. Brand new. Got another one, Toy Story 3. Got a Dora the Explorer. And all of these are $1. This one is brand new. This is a Leap Star one, a Leapfrog. And this one is brand new too. Now on to the shoes. I picked up some Ferragamo dress shoes, all leather, and I can get around 80 for these. Then I picked up these Dr. Martin Airwear shoes right here. They're asking $10 for it. And the comps y'all on eBay, they're selling for around $60 to $70. Then I picked up a pair of Jordan low top 5s, size 6 wide. They're asking $14 for it. It's kind of high, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up because I can get around 50 for these. So, you know, I'm gonna clean the laces and then get them listed. Alright y'all, the last pair I picked up was these Jordan Retro 1s, these black and purple. Really cool, size 8 in men. And they're asking only $10 for it. And these are selling for over $100. I know it has like a little pin mark here, I can get that out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop these up. Alright y'all, I found a whole bunch of really nice clothes here. The first item I found was this cool. This is a bolo. Be on the lookout for this brand right here. I can get around $30 to $40 for this shirt right here, y'all. And they're asking $6 for it. So if you see this brand cool, make sure you look up the comps, and if it's good, go ahead and pick it up. Alright y'all, the next item I picked up was this Polo Ralph Lauren quarter zip jacket in a really good condition. Might actually be new. They're only asking $7 for it, and I can get around $30 to $40 for it on eBay. Alright y'all, the next item I picked up was this Spider quarter zip jacket. What's the size? Oh, I don't see the size anywhere, know how much they want, but it's probably $6, just like all the other jackets. So if you see this brand Spider, go ahead and pick it up because it sells for a good amount on eBay. Alright y'all, then I picked up this North Face women sweatpants, and they're asking $6 for it, and the comps on eBay showing that they're going for around $25. Alright y'all, the next item I picked up was this, these say Ex Officio hoodie, quarter zip hoodie y'all, size large in men, and they're asking $7 for it. And I can easily get around $35 to $40 for this hoodie on eBay, y'all. And this is another bolo. Be on the lookout for this brand right here. All right, y'all. Then the next item I picked up was this Adidas Jeep Juventus soccer jersey, and they only want $3 for it. And I can flip this on eBay, guys, for around $40. And I actually think this is brand new. This doesn't have the tags on it, so I probably would list this as brand new with no tags. All right, y'all, this next item was crazy, y'all. Guys, this brand, look out for it, Sitka. The material is like a stretch material, but guys, when I looked this brand up, oh my goodness, they have used jackets just like this, right, going for over $100. Some brand new going for $300 to $400. I don't know what's so special about it, but I'm definitely picking this up and getting this listed quick. So this is the brand right here. If you see this brand, pick it up. And they're only asking $7 for it, so I'm definitely picking this up. All right, y'all, the last clothing item I picked up was this Tumi Take by Tumi jacket, men's size extra large, and they only wanted $7 for it. And I know the bags sell for a lot of money, and I looked up the comps for this jacket, right, and this jacket is selling for around $30 to $40, so I'm definitely scooping this one up too. All right, guys, I picked up these Ugg boots, and this is actually the only pair of shoes I picked up at this thrift store. They want $6 for it, and I can get around $30 to $40 for these Ugg boots right here. All right, guys, the first item I picked up was this spider jacket, puffer jacket. They want $10 for it, and it's actually a really nice jacket, y'all. Double XL, and it sells for around $80, but I'm gonna probably wait until it get a little cold to list it. All right, y'all, the next item I picked up was this Wowie Dog Robot, and I saw the doggy, but I didn't see the charger, so I ended up leaving it. And then I went to the toy section and saw the charger with it, the dock stand, charging dock stand. So they want 60 cents for this one. I don't have the adapter, but I seen comps on eBay with these selling for around $60 without the charger, and they want $2 for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop both of these up. Hey guys, if any of you guys know what this is, please put down in the comments so I know. It's some automatic. I've never seen this before. I looked it up on Google, and it has something to do with like some vertical blinds, but I don't know if it's the motor or something to it. So they only want $1.41. So I don't even know how much it's worth. Go ahead and get it, but still leave down in the comments what it is if you guys know. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And also, if you're a reseller that has a lot of items in their money pile, I want you guys right now to get up, get your camera, get your phone out, and I want you guys to go ahead and get those items listed because it's time to resell.
It's time to resell. It's time to resell.